Hello everyone, this is Angelo with Marin County Ford. How are you? I just want to say thank you for showing interest on the vehicle that's in front of me right now. Okay, let me just tell you that you have a wonderful taste. In front of us here is the 2023 Bronco Limited Heritage. Okay, there's a Heritage and then the Limited Heritage. Let's go. I mean, you probably already know the car. If you're looking at something like this, you already know what it is. Let me just emphasize it. How the wheels is different. Okay, you get that Heritage wheels, Sasquatch package. You get that step, that tube step. This one has sensors in the bumper, tow hooks. Of course, you got the white grille, the white lining, and then the white top going on. This one is fresh out the oven. Okay, you still need to get washed. You still need to get detailed, and it also still needs to get DDI'd, right? Look at the inside here. Power seats. You get the white interior going, and then you got the desert brown. Okay, fresh out the oven, guys. Brand new. Okay, Limited Heritage. Let's look at the back. Look at this, all sorts of goodies in the back. I think this is the retractable top that it comes with. So that's nice. Okay. So, and then this is what it looks like in the back as well. Gorgeous vehicle. Got a tow hitch there as well. So you need to come down and take a look at this, guys. Very nice. We ship out of state. Okay, we also ship out of state. We're based in California. Oh, look at this. They put that there in the side. Okay, that's new. I didn't know that. Very cool. So if you want to come and check it out, give me a shout. 415-599-9088. My name is Angelo. Okay, thank you for watching the video. And yeah. Very nice vehicle. Bronco Heritage Limited. Thank you guys for watching the video. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a nice day.